It's Sunday the 13th of April 2025. It's cooler today, but still sunny. With a bit of a breeze, cool breeze. Go and have a look at the temperatures today. So the last couple of days is getting up to 19 degrees, but I'm not forecast to do that today, a lot cooler. Still no rain. I'll have a quick look at the temperature. And what are we on? 12.5. So yeah, it's a little cooler. Anyway, what the challenge was how to paint the middle bit above the conservatory. So I've got that bit of wood there, and there's also, if we look, there's also like a bit there and that bit going up there. Well, what I found in the garage, and this was just separate items which I've put together into one, was I found in my ruck, because I've got like a collection of like different rollers and that from I've just got some bubbles in at the minute, but yeah, like different rollers, like these sorts of things. I've got these. Well, I found a little one, this little roller here. It's a nice little one. And then what separately I found was this extendable stick, and of course the roller fits onto the stick. So so what I can do with this is I can extend it out. So I've extended out like that, look. And then from the ladders, or from on the ground if I want to, I can just do that. So when it gets a bit warmer again, I should be able to reach quite a decent distance just with that perfect size roller there, look. And then do the top bit and do that bit and that bit. So I can go up the ladder, I'll be able to reach further along, and I'll be able to extend this even further, because of course you can put this, attach it to other rods as well. It's like tapered on and all that, so you're able to reach quite a long way with it. So that's actually brilliant. It's a brilliant size roller, perfect size for doing those bits of wood. They look like that, you know, really good. So I'm pleased about that. So you can see these two bushes. These are the before photograph, so you can see the circled bushes that were there that took a lot of work to get out, especially the big one. Sunday evening, the daffodils' last chance. I think some of them are drying up now, so they'll be gone in a day or two. Now, this is what's changed here. We've dug out the great big, massive, horrible tropical plant thing that was there, and a sort of not very good conifer shrub thing that was there. But this took an enormous amount of time to get rid of. Like, I'm talking about hours of work with an actual log saw to try and get through leaf by leaf, and then digging out the central ball thing was incredible work. Anyway, it's 3 carloads of stuff to the tip. It was a tremendous amount of work. The weight of it all and everything was unbelievable. Not quite sure how we did it, to be honest, but that's all cleared out now, and so we'll be able to just sort of put a few pots on there, and yeah, it's quite ugly, but it's still green with the hedge. It was quite ugly before, really, so that's made a bit more space there, and then we can just do what we want there. But the thing that was, it was just overgrown all the time, and not very attractive. I think the two things that were there before. So yeah, anyway, so we'll be able to plant that up, or put pots out with flowers and things like that. But from this side of the hedge you can see no evidence of it, because it's nice and green on this side of the hedge. So that was good. So yeah, it looks a bit bare at the minute, but honestly the little conifer thing was just, there's like hardly any green on it, and that thing was constantly growing up. So yeah, so we'll be able to just put some little shrubs in there and little pots and things like that, and see what happens over time. Something a bit more native maybe.